Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have tested the beneficiary service and we got the response as well. But the thing is that we were like, when we are giving the is active as a true, so we are getting the active as a false actually. So the thing over here is, so is active, it is a is active is a Boolean value. So it should be returning is active is a Boolean value. I think this is changing the behavior actually. So you can see over here, it is, let me just refresh it. Or this is a transaction service, right? So beneficiary. So you can see here, it is storing the, is active value as a B of 000, something like that. Okay. But it is not storing the true. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to change this. Either we need to change this is active is active data type to either string, or we have to find any other way actually. So let's check out. Let's do one thing. Let's change this boolean value to string. So now what I'll do is let me restart this transaction service application. So now this time it should alter the beneficiary table. So it should alter the beneficiary table and it should add the uh, it should alter the is active table is active column actually. You can see here alter the table beneficiary and the column is modified actually. So what is this? Is active. Before it was the boolean, now it is varchar. Okay, which is nothing but string. It is taking it. So now what I'll do is I'll be changing this beneficiary name. I'll say Amir Amir Khan. I'll give this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is the account number, and this is the Uttari Bank and the same customer. For the same customer, we will be adding the one more beneficiary, that is Amir Khan. Let me send the request. Now this time it should add the beneficiary details. Before it was, returning the is active as a false, is active as a false. Now it is returning the same actually. Okay, so fine. Okay, so this is the change we have done. Okay, in the next session, what we will do is we will be, working on the transaction service class and the transaction repository and the transaction controller, and we'll try to perform a sample transaction. Okay, we will be sending a request from the postman. We will be perform a sample transaction. We will be debiting the amount from the customer account number from the center account number to the receive. We'll be debiting the amount from the center account number, and we will be adding the crediting the account amount to the receiver account number. Okay, for that we will be writing a code. I hope this is a fine. In the next session, we will be discussing more on the topics which we have explored just now. So until then, thank you for watching.